Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Indian movies dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include cluster bar chart for top 10 movies by average of rating, top 10 movies by vote, movie language preference distribution by audience rating, votes by genre rating for movies, movie language preference by votes to cards to display, total movies and total votes, slicer to filter based on movie name, and three text box for narration. The top six movie name all had average rating of 10 across all 11 movie name. Average of rating 10 ranged from 9.80 to 10. The Jungle Book accounted for 32.88% of votes. Let us use our slicer. You can see Boston Legal with average of rating 7.90 with 238 votes. When it comes to language, here you can see Oriya, the rating of 7.80. Comes to genre, drama has votes of 440. Genre rating for movies. Comes to comedy, crime and drama has rating of 7.90. Movie language preference by words. First we can see Nepali, more than multiple selection. Let us do a single selection for a movie Frontline. Movie Frontline with rating of 7.20, votes of 34. Oriya and Urdu with language preference with Oriya and Urdu with 7.20. It's a documentary, votes of 34, 7.20. Language preference, it got 17 votes in Oriya and Urdu. What about Big Boss? Yeah, Big Boss, can see Big Boss is a Malayalam movie. The rating of 2.50, votes of 20. The same when it comes to genre, game show, reality TV, it's 2.50. This is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.